Hello, and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset based learning. With a strengths based approach, every community is valuable and every person has strengths and potential. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new class or group within Thrively's platform. As you can see, I'm starting on the dashboard and heading over to My Classes. Within My Classes, you'll have access to any class or group assigned to you. If you'd like to add an additional class or group of students, you can always click on the three dots next to Add Students and click Manage Class. To add a new class or section, click on Add New Class or Section. If you click here, you'll enter a class name, for example, Period 4. Click Create, and you have your new class. Click OK. To add students, select the period you wish to add the student to, and select Add Students. There are 4 options for adding students. You can use an invite code, add using Google Classroom, you can add the students manually, or download the template to bulk upload your students. Let's practice using the invite code. Simply give your students this address and the invite code. That's step 1. Once your students have used your invite code, it's time to move on to step 2. As your students link their accounts to your class, you do need to accept their link and add them to your class. So, simply go to the Request tab in the menu bar. It's located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click View Student Requests. Here's our example student. We want to go ahead and click the green check mark. You'll be able to select that student's grade and select the class or section you wish to add them to. You can add a class in this step as well. I'll simply go down to our Period 4 class and select Accept. Our new student has been added to our class successfully, so once we refresh, they'll be there. So I've refreshed my tab, and here's my example student. If I wish to add them to additional classes, I can click on the 3 dots and go to Manage Class. Click on Students. Here's my example student. I can remove them from class, add them to an additional class, or reassign them. If I add them to an additional class, don't worry, it won't remove them from any other classes. It simply adds them to an additional group. This is a way that teachers can share access to students if they have more than one teacher. Click Done, and we're done. Thank you for your commitment to asset-based learning and strengths-based education. Let's humanize learning together. We look forward to partnering with you to create strengths-based, joyful, and hopeful classrooms where every child thrives. Please reach out to us anytime at thrively.com or thrive@thrively.com. Our students are waiting on us.